Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. And now it's quite easy to do, to change the video resolution. We have to take a look at this option bar at the top. And this right here is directly connected with the resolution. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it to change it. We had FHD, right now we've got 4K. After tapping on it again, we can set HD. And tap on it again to set FHD. Only for the FHD option, we've got frames per second, which are customizable. So after tapping on it, you can switch 30 to 60 frames per second. And obviously, after tapping on it again, you can set 30. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.